Have you ever wanted to tour Air Force One? Or maybe create your own virtual world? In this video, we're going to show you how to do both of those things, plus we're going to show you 5 other neat places to go online. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and then the bell to get notifications. All right, let's get started. A quick note, links to everything we'll show you today are in the description below. Very few of us will ever be on board Air Force One, the U.S. President's airplane, but we can take a virtual tour from the comfort of our own home. Our first site today is Matterport.com. This company offers the ability to turn photos into 3D images and videos. We're looking inside a retired Air Force One right now. We can move up and down the aisle. As we move forward to the front to visit the pilot's cockpit, we'll stop at a plaque outlining some of the history of Air Force One. Hurrying forward, let's see what the pilots had to deal with. Wow, there's a plethora of instrumentation here, isn't there? Just imagine having to fly this plane. Coming back the aisle, we pass the galley and stop to see one of the most important areas of the plane, the communication area. As fascinating as this view is, we could get a better view with a virtual reality headset. If you have one, give it a try. Have you ever felt like you just wanted to get away from it all? There are places online where you can do just that. Today, we're going to look at Second Life. This site has a program you can download, and you can visit virtual places. You can even create a virtual place for yourself. The site uses avatars, and you can be transported from one area to another. Lots of major companies have sites in Second Life, like Microsoft and AMD. In fact, recently, Microsoft held a staff meeting not in a real building, but in a virtual structure in Second Life. One note, there's a major learning curve in a virtual world. Learning how to navigate, where to go, meeting other people and chatting, so many things. It will take some time to figure everything out, but you can have a lot of fun in the process. Like to listen to the rain? Maybe even a little thunder? Our next site to visit is called A Soft Murmur. Here, you can change sound effects to help you sleep, concentrate, or just be distracted. This company offers apps for your smartphones, too. Would you enjoy tracking sharks, whales, turtles, seals, dolphins, or alligators? Then you'll love this site, osearch.org. It's a site powered by SeaWorld, and it allows you to track any of the mammals and reptiles that they have tagged. When you view the map, you'll see indicators of where one of them is or has been. Let's look at the path of the loggerhead sea turtle off the west coast of Florida. We see her first ping was June 21st, 2020, and the latest was July 4th, 2020, the day we captured this video. You can see her path on the map. If you look on the right side of the screen, you will find information about her. You can see her size, whether she's an infant, an adult, etc. You can also view her travel log. Going back to the map, you'll often see a circle with a number inside, like this one off the coast of Chile. When you click on it, you'll see dots for all the mammals and reptiles within that area. For instance, here's a male blue shark. Again, his path is on the map, while his information is on the right. You could spend hours and hours on this site, but for now, we're going to move to our next place of interest, the Wayback Machine. Ever wonder what a site looked like in the early days of the internet? Want to see how far we've come? Let's take a look at Apple in 1997. Wow, You could pre-order Mac OS 8. It's just amazing to see and read what was on the site way back then compared to how the Apple site looks today. If you're into memes, GIFs, or informative and inspiring videos, then this next site is just the place for you. You can scroll up and down and find everything from cat pictures to people performing crazy stunts. You can join the site and vote for your favorites or post yourself. When you find something you want to really see, just click on it, like these puppies. How cute are they? One final site to visit today is one where you can make a cartoon for free. When you first arrive, there'll be a default template. You can change themes, and then you can change the people or animals in the cartoon. Once you have your characters, you can type either comments or thoughts. Then you simply clone the first panel. Moving to each subsequent panel, you simply change the dialogue. When you're finished, you should save your cartoon. Unfortunately, this site no longer is accepting new members, so you'll need to screen capture your cartoon like we did. That's it for this video. I hope you'll visit the sites we shared and have some fun and maybe learn a few things along the way. All of the links appear in the description below. Again, if you're new to our site, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks.